Okay, so today I bought 2 new Stardust Overdrive packs and a Duelist pack Yusei, and I'm going to 2 of them. So today I'm gonna unpack them. Okay, so here's the first one. Strategy card 7. Defense draw, card rotator, origin tuning, shield warrior, and speed warrior and shield warrior. Disappointing. Crap, it's waiting for a Stardust, you know. Okay, mini booster insert, Neglect, Bending Destiny, Molten Escape, yay! Fortune Lady Dark, I actually got that. Limit Impulse, Reptilian Gorgon, Iron Core, Armor, and Glockymero Sea Panther. So that was okay. So I actually got one card that I wanted, which isn't really worth it. Okay, so on to the second one. Yusei Fudo Duelist pack. I am really hoping to get a Stardust. Okay, maybe I might. Oh, actually, I might get it. I don't know. Okay, so I actually got strategy card 8, which is a good sign. Oh, and disappointing. But I got a limit overload, which is not that bad. It's shiny. And I just think I have like 20 of them. Yay, shiny. And hoping for a death stick. Star Dragon, Dark Spider, Iron Core Armor. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Dark Simorgh, whatever that is. Mother Spider, Synchro, Cholesterol, Villain. Oh, well, that was actually pretty not bad. Severe. And Argent tuning, I'm guessing. So, thank you.